How to download Netflix on MacBook. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open App Store on your MacBook. Now here, if you search for Netflix application, you will not see the official Netflix application anywhere. So go back and open Google Chrome. If you do not have Google Chrome on your device, go to Safari or any other preferred browser, and in the search bar, search for Google Chrome Download and tap on this particular link. And you will see the option for download Chrome there. Tap on that and Chrome will be downloaded on your Mac shortly. Now launch the application. I will simply open Google Chrome on my Mac since I already have downloaded it previously. Now in the search bar, search for netflix.com and you will be led to the official webpage of Netflix. Here, tap on the three dots on the top right of your screen and you will see the option for save and share. Place your cursor there and then tap on the Create Shortcut option. In the pop-up that appears, tap on Create again, and with this, Netflix has been installed on your Mac successfully. You can see I now have the Netflix application on my dock. You can copy it to your desktop if you want. If not, you can also open the Launchpad and you can see the app there too. So this is how you can download Netflix on your Mac. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.